Blutbad.
Hello and welcome back to another behind-the-scenes toy photography video. Today I'm going to show you how I made the setup for this photo, which I've entitled Malgus. I'll also show you how I edited the image in Photoshop. For this shot I used the Black Series Darth Malgus figure and this anonymous kitbashed Jedi. Let me know in the comments if you can name all 4 Black Series figures I used to make him. Time to set up the shot. I used an old baking sheet covered in sand as the floor surface and an empty flower planter as the side wall. After hiding a figure stand under the sand, I carefully positioned some blue LEDs that would serve as illumination for my lightsaber effect. Next, I placed my Malgus figure on the hidden figure stand and positioned my Jedi across from him. To cover up the edges of my background TV, I used some spray-painted food containers, and to complete the setup, I put a red gel on my side light and turned on my background TV. Here's the shot I used as a base for my final image. I needed to combine this with a couple other exposures to get the exact lighting that I wanted. I did that with multiple layer masks and the brush tool. This took like half an hour in real time. After that very time-consuming process, I used a pen tool and some layer effects to create the lightsaber blades. Then I did some color grading and cropped the image in a bit. I used the brush tool to add some glow to Malgus's eyes, and added some clouds in the background before getting distracted again by the layer masking. Lastly, I filled in all the articulation points in the figures before once again getting distracted by the layer masking. So here's the starting image again, and here's where we ended up. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider hitting that subscribe button. Thanks, and until next time.